Looking for a quick and easy, no fuss and no sewing required way to take something old and repurpose it into a face mask? I got you. Hey y'all, it's Ash and Renee and welcome back to my sustainable and vegan lifestyle channel where I show you holistic ways to have a healthier body, home, and planet. Now today's video is a very quick, zero waste tutorial on how to take something old and turn it into a face mask. Now let me be perfectly clear. A DIY face mask is not going to be nearly as effective as an N95. This is more like a something is better than nothing situation, and the CDC says that if possible, the best material that you can use is something that's cotton. So here are 3 ideas for repurposing something old that you might have at home and turning it into a face mask that you can use in a situation where you really might need it. All right, first we're gonna start out with an old cotton t-shirt. And you wanna make sure the length is about the circumference of your head. And then you're just going to fold it lengthwise until it's just wide enough to cover your nose down to your chin. Then you're gonna wrap one hair tie on one end and then another hair tie on the other end. Next, you're going to join those 2 ends together by folding it just like this. And you can tuck one end into the other, and there you have it. You have a face mask. Next up, we're going to do the same exact thing, except this time with a pillowcase. And more than likely, you don't have to cut this up. Last but not least, let's do the same thing with a bandana. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more sustainable ways to have a healthier body, home, and planet. Until next time, y'all, keep on living an adventurously green life.